Most people think flooring is just about looks. But in production spaces, factories, warehouses, and workshops, the wrong flooring can slow work, increase fatigue, damage equipment, and reduce efficiency every single day. Many businesses lose time and money not because of machines or staff, but because of flooring mistakes they never noticed. Today, we're exposing the most common flooring mistakes that quietly kill production efficiency and how smarter flooring choices can change everything. One of the biggest mistakes is selecting flooring based only on appearance. A floor might look clean and modern, but if it cannot handle heavy machinery, constant movement, or impact, it quickly becomes a problem. Production floors must support weight, traffic, and daily wear. When the floor fails, work slows down and repairs interrupt productivity. Smooth or glossy flooring may look professional, but in production environments, it creates safety risks. Slips and near-miss accidents force workers to move cautiously, reducing speed and confidence. When employees don't feel safe, efficiency drops. Flooring must provide grip and stability to keep workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Hard, unforgiving floors increase worker fatigue. Standing for long hours on the wrong surface leads to tired legs, back pain, and slower movement. When workers are uncomfortable, focus and productivity decrease. The right flooring supports the body and helps workers stay energized throughout the shift. In production areas, noise is already high. Hard flooring reflects sound, increasing echo and stress. This makes communication difficult and creates a tiring environment. Excess noise reduces concentration and increases errors. Flooring that absorbs sound helps create a calmer, more productive workspace. Low-cost flooring may seem like a smart budget decision, but it often leads to frequent damage. Cracks, peeling, or uneven surfaces cause constant interruptions for repairs. Every repair stops production. Durable flooring reduces downtime and supports consistent workflow. Some floors require constant cleaning or special care. When maintenance becomes time-consuming, it disrupts operations and increases labor costs. Efficient production spaces need flooring that is easy to clean and quick to maintain without stopping work. Production spaces evolve. Equipment changes, traffic increases, and operations expand. Flooring that cannot adapt becomes a limitation. When floors crack under new loads or layouts, efficiency suffers. Smart flooring choices allow flexibility and long-term performance. Flooring affects how fast people move, how safe they feel, how tired they become, and how smoothly machines operate. The right floor quietly supports productivity every day without being noticed. The wrong floor does the opposite, slowly draining efficiency, morale, and profit. Production efficiency is not only about machines and management. It's about the environment people work in, and flooring is a foundation of that environment. Avoiding these common flooring mistakes can lead to safer movement, faster workflows, less downtime, and higher overall performance. If you want flooring solutions designed to support productivity, safety, and long-term performance, visit flooringdubai.com. They provide professional flooring options tailored for industrial, commercial, and production spaces, helping businesses build environments that work as hard as their people.